Strawberries aren't always covered in chocolate, and hot glue isn't just for fixing stuff. And to start, get a stencil in the form of a bone. Place a piece of glass coated with lotion on top of it. Trace the template with hot glue. Fill the inner space. Now, cover the piece with white acrylic paint. Wait until the paint dries. Use a permanent marker to write your dog's name on the bone and write your address on the back. Decorate the pendant with cute paw prints. Little Molly will be safe, even if she gets lost. Secure the bone on the collar. Your puppy is simply delighted with her new decoration. It's really cute on her. And now, get a piece of glass, hot glue, and a fabric flower. Cover the glass with cream. Apply hot glue. Put the flower on it. Press it down to soak the petals in the glue. Remove the piece from the glass. Make holes with an awl. And insert a chain. You can make this stylish and beautiful pendant in just 5 minutes. No one else will have a pendant like this. For the next idea, you need a crystal vase with a carved bottom. Turn it upside down. Coat the bottom with lotion. Fill the star-shaped part with hot glue. Press the glue down with a piece of glass and wait for it to harden. Remove the piece. It looks like a snowflake. Paint it gold. Make a hole in one of the tips. Now, take a beautiful chain. Pass it through the hole and secure the ends. It's your time to shine! It'll look great on our Christmas tree! Finally, we are here! Now we just have to unpack the trunk. A dent? Where did it come from? You'll go over traffic rules later, but in the meantime, let's fix the dent. Take rods of hot glue and some wide tape. Collect the rods in a dense bundle. Melt the ends of the rods with a lighter. Now press the bundle to the dent carefully. Wait for the glue to harden. Pull as hard as you can. Yay! I did it!
Yay!
Look, the dent is gone. Just remove the traces of hot glue. I wanted to flush and almost broke my nail. Is this situation familiar to you? To solve this problem, you will need a silicone flamingo mold and a rod of hot pink glue. Fill the mold. When the glue dries, remove the mold. Attach googly eyes. Now attach the flamingos on the toilet button. Press it down and flush. This is much better, and your nails will stay safe. By the way, a pink flamingo looks great in the bathroom. For this idea, you need a cardboard box. Decorate the side with hot glue. How about drawing a sun and a flower? Move to the other side of the box. Don't be shy. Use your imagination. Draw decorations and patterns. Decorate each side of the box. Coat the piece with spray paint. Put a flower pot in the box and your room will be transformed. It looks like a famous designer worked on these planters. They look luxurious. And now, take red hot glue and a piece of tulle. Lay the fabric out on the glass. Draw a rectangle along the edge of the glass with hot glue. Make a grid. You need 2 large grids and a few pieces for the side walls. Glue the parts together. Don't forget to make a bottom and handles. Cut off the extra tulle. Glue the sides to the rectangular base. Then secure the bottom of the bag. Attach the second large rectangle on top and glue on 2 handles. The purse is ready! It's pretty spacious, and the contents are protected by the fabric. String bags are back in fashion, and reusable bags are much more environmentally friendly than bags from the supermarket. It's time for a prank! Take a knife, cover the blade with lotion and a layer of hot glue. Make sure that the glue doesn't go beyond the edges of the template. Move to the handle. Cover it with lotion and then apply hot glue. Check if there are any empty areas left. When the glue dries, you can easily make a cast out of the knife. It looks real, right? Thicken the handle with hot glue. When the glue dries completely, cover the piece with spray paint. Great! The glue knife looks like the real thing! Now you can prank your friend. Poor thing! She doesn't even have anything to cut bread with. Come to the rescue and offer your super knife. Fell for it? The knife will bend in her hand like a rubber snake, and it can't handle even the fluffiest loaf. Next, you'll need an egg and a deep bowl. Make a hole in the shell with an awl, and pour the white and the yolk into the bowl. Dry the egg and seal the hole with hot glue. Glue a stick. Hold the egg on the stick and color it with black acrylic paint. Start decorating. Draw curls with a hot glue gun. Decorate the egg with drops of hot glue. The drops will harden and make beautiful imperfections. When the glue dries, paint the egg. Use yellow and brown acrylic paint to cover all the notches and bumps. Cover a fresh layer of paint with gold glitter. Now you can remove the stick. It's a real dragon egg! Look how beautiful it is! Let's find a good place to display it. You can even make a cozy nest. It looks very real! Can't draw? Use colored hot glue. Cut rods of hot glue into pieces. Now start drawing. Place the pieces of hot glue on a sheet of thick cardboard, starting from a corner. Spread different shades in strips. First, lay one color, then another. When the whole sheet is covered, lay a piece of foil on top. Iron it. Carefully work through each area so that the glue has time to melt. Remove the foil. The melted glue created beautiful marks on the sheet. Drawing a picture like this with a brush would take way longer. This masterpiece of glue abstractionism is worthy of the most beautiful frame. Just a couple of minutes and you have a finished painting on your shelf. Thumbtacks are boring. What if you decorate them with hot glue? And you will also need a silicone ice mold. Fill the cells with hot glue. Use a glittery rod. Attach the thumbtack with the tip pointing up. Fill in the remaining cells. Experiment with colors. Try to make pieces in different shades. Remove the thumbtacks from the mold. Now they look like gems unknown to science. Use them to pin up the most important things. Oof! I stumbled! That looks painful! It's all because of this rug that keeps sliding on the floor. Here's an idea. You need to make the mat closer to the floor. To do this, apply hot glue to the corners. Do it like this, drawing a circle. Wait until the glue dries up. Return the mat to its place. Okay, now it won't slide. No more falls! It's great to have a tasty snack, right? Cocoa, chocolate cookies. Mmm, delicious! But sometimes even adults can be clumsy. We know what can keep your clothes clean. Draw a bib on a piece of parchment paper and take rods of colored hot glue. Draw the upper line. Slightly below is the second layer, then the third. Reload the hot glue gun and continue to fill the shape. If necessary, take a third color. Wait until the glue dries. Carefully cut off the excess with scissors. Our piece is ready! Now take out blue hot glue. Draw letters on the piece. Attach ribbons to the pointed edges. Done! I have something for you! Try it on! Oh, a bib? Great idea! Now my clothes will definitely be clean. No spilled tea, no cookie crumbs. Did Did you like our hot glue hacks? Comment below which idea you can't wait to try. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss even more useful videos on Troom Select.